The Centre for Excellence Universal Design is part of the National Disability Authority, which is based in Dublin, Ireland. The three areas the centre covers are standards, education and awareness.
The Centre for Excellence in Universal Design is the only statutory authority of its kind anywhere in the world. I think it's a testimony to Ireland that they have invested in building this capability.
If you design a product that's more usable, means that you're not retrofitting, which is a huge problem. Be it in technology or the built environment, you're designing a product that works from the start rather than having to redesign, which has a huge impact not only on your cost but also on the environment.
Universal design is very important in products and services because as we understand the fast pace of evolution of technology, change in society, trends, we're finding that, for example, with products, we're having embedded data collection. We're seeing the evolution of technology affect products, particularly products are becoming much more personalized.
Enterprise Ireland is proud to work with the universities in the Universal Design Grand Challenge, whereby designers across the country submit their universal design ideas for improved living, not just for people with disabilities, but for everybody. It's a fabulous resource for Enterprise Ireland because it provides not only the impetus for new design ideas, but it's an excellent testing ground for new companies coming through with ideas for universal design.
We've had categories for universal design excellence in the design awards for many years now, and it's often you'll find that the ones that win that category end up being the overall winner of the entire show. So that really, I think, speaks volumes about how much the principles kind of underwrite good design.
Working with the Centre for Excellence in Universal Design creates an environment where we can set out requirements for all our citizens so that they can access, understand and use tourism services and utility services in their daily lives.
A lot of the work that we do in the centre is the development of design guidance, and from that we develop workshops where we invite along the end users, such as people from professional bodies and people from our stakeholder groups.
Universal design as a concept, when it was developed, was, I suppose the concept is primarily applicable to the construction and primarily, you know, say houses or buildings and making them suitable for everybody. I think it is spread out from that. That's been very welcome. Engineers are designers and implementers of a variety of technologies, and you have to design services and products for use in the widest possible number of environments.
I can't think of any area where the principles that underpin universal design aren't appropriate and couldn't be applied. Because really what universal design asks us to do is to have an emotional response to the needs of our learners, to the needs of our users. Now's the time to grasp universal design in partnership with the champions for universal design, the Centre of Excellence in Universal Design, and employ it from day one in all that we do.